What does the AWS shared responsibility model mean? AWS and the customer share security responsibilities. AWS handles security of the cloud, like infrastructure, while customers are responsible for security in the cloud, like data and access. Which AWS service is used to manage user access and permissions securely? AWS IAM. AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, enables secure access control for users and services in your AWS environment. Which AWS service is considered serverless? AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda runs your code in response to events without provisioning or managing servers. What is the main benefit of using AWS autoscaling? It automatically adjusts resources to match demand. Autoscaling adjusts compute resources automatically to maintain performance and reduce cost. Which AWS service is best for storing object data? Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is an object storage service ideal for files, backups, and static content. What does the AWS free tier provide? Limited usage of services free for 12 months. The AWS free tier offers limited, free usage of AWS services for new customers for 12 months. Which of the following services helps monitor AWS resources and applications? Amazon CloudWatch. CloudWatch monitors AWS resources and applications using logs, metrics, and alarms. Which pricing model allows you to save money by committing to a 1 or 3 year term? Reserved instances. Reserved instances offer lower prices in exchange for a commitment to use AWS resources over time. Which AWS service provides a virtual server in the cloud? Amazon EC2. EC2 provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. What AWS service provides scalable DNS and domain registration? Amazon Route 53. Route 53 is a scalable DNS web service that also handles domain name registration and routing. Which of the following is a benefit of cloud computing? Scalability and elasticity. Cloud resources can scale up or down based on demand, reducing waste and cost. Which service provides a managed relational database? Amazon RDS. Amazon RDS supports common relational engines like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. Which AWS service allows you to define infrastructure as code? AWS CloudFormation. CloudFormation automates resource creation using JSON or YAML templates. What is Amazon CloudFront? A content delivery network, CDN. CloudFront delivers content through a worldwide network of edge locations, improving speed and availability. Which support plan includes access to a technical account manager, TAM? Enterprise. The Enterprise plan offers a TAM and architectural reviews for large-scale environments. What is the purpose of AWS Trusted Advisor? Provides real-time best practice recommendations. Trusted Advisor helps optimize cost, improve security, and increase performance using real-time checks. What is AWS's global infrastructure composed of? Regions and availability zones. AWS regions contain multiple isolated availability zones to improve fault tolerance and availability. Which AWS service helps track user activity and API calls? AWS CloudTrail. CloudTrail records API calls and user actions across your AWS account for auditing and compliance. Which type of cloud deployment combines on-premises infrastructure with cloud services? Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud connects on-prem systems with AWS services for flexible workloads and data movement. Which AWS service provides managed NoSQL databases? Amazon DynamoDB. DynamoDB is a serverless, managed NoSQL database known for speed and scalability.